already cut the wood to stilts, so we're just gonna level it out. I feel like I'm in The Walking Dead, like working with zombies all around, but they're like, it's a crossover movie, Walking Dead, after Rick Moranis shrunk them down in Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. And now they're all fucking small, but Tinkerbell came and put some fucking fairy dust on them and they can fly. So it's mini flying zombies.
Seriously.
If anybody creates that movie, I get 20% royalty of the idea. Okay, I think we should put 2 down. So they're there. Go get the tote, put it up on the 2. You hold, or I'll hold the tote while the other person puts the other 2.
Sounds like a plan.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Or you want to hold this? I'll get the shovel. One or the other. Oh, just hold it. Fuck.
It started to rain. Enjoying the rain?
Yes, always. Okay, this is super crude. We're just gonna get it on top, and then I'm gonna cross brace it after it's on top. There you go, babe. Good luck.
Thanks.
This is very frustrating, by the way, so good luck.
Oh, okay. So this comes into play, right? So
Yeah, exactly. So you're gonna have it exactly.
do you hear that?
What does that sound?
We're collecting rainwater.
Nice.
That was a pain in the ASS. Are you excited?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Do you hear that in there? It's trickling down.
I'm just changing all the logs so that I got cross braces on the stumps, and then it's still super strong. It's already super strong, but I'm excited.
I'm the one pony girl. All right, look at it, guys. Woohoo! Harvesting rainwater.